kept it off.
Go, Keswick, go.
Kaz with the
Keep moving forward, guys.
Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Colonel and R3, I want you guys to do chants. Bradley, I want you to focus on flag bearing.
Hey, if you want, I can do them if you want.
Sure, let's do it. You can do them.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Colonel, R3,
Yep.
you guys know what to do.
3,
Make
2,
sure this
1,
line is
chant.
top tier.
Oh yes, quality. Like
3,
Gordon
2,
Ramsay's kitchen.
1, chant.
Middle guard
3,
sponsored
2,
by
Go with
Gordon.
me, guys. 285. Come right.
3, 2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant.
Come right.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Move
3,
forward.
2,
285.
1, chant.
Try to
3,
keep spacing,
2,
guys.
1, chant.
Alright, space out now, space out now, space out
3,
now.
2, 1,
You're behind
chant.
someone. Get
Get
down
rid of the
from behind.
form. Form here. The
3,
Urkas, those
2,
Marines, those
1,
dogs. Fight
chant.
well.
Bayonets off, bayonets off.
3,
Alright, readjust
2,
255,
1, chant.
255, 255. Readjust.
3,
Alright, roll into the yellow flag. Crouch,
1,
crouch, crouch,
chant.
crouch. Alright, hold your shots. Move up,
3,
hold your shots.
2,
Move up,
1,
hold your shots.
chant.
Move up. Ready to form.
boys.
Form
Get
now.
your
Form
spacing.
now.
3, 2,
Aim for a
1,
volley.
chant.
Fire at will.
3,
Alright, get
2,
your spacing.
1,
One man
chant.
spacing. One man spacing. Remember what we said.
176 guns,
3,
boys.
2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant.
Oh, fire left, fire left, fire left, fire
3,
left.
2, 1, chant.
Go left now,
Join
go left
grenade
now.
sets further left.
3, 2,
Hold your shots for
1,
another volley.
chant.
Form right here. Oh, shit.
3, 2, 1,
Shift right,
chant.
shift right. Hold your shots. Hold your Bayonets on. We form right there, facing the yellow flag. Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
Fire at
chant.
will, fire at will, fire at will.
Flag guard.
Flag down. Flag down.
There you go.
128 studs in front of us, boys.
Oh,
Right on.
jeez. Keep firing at will. Shift right a little bit, shift right a bit.
3, 2, 1, chant.
You guys are doing great. Good.
Right here,
3,
form right here.
2,
Right here with me,
chant.
here with
To
me.
the right, boys. To the right.
3, 2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant.
Much better. Keep firing the leg out.
144 studs.
3,
Right
2,
on.
1, chant.
Make sure spacing.
If you're on the left, the best shots
There
you'll
you go.
have is probably on the line to our right.
Bayonets on, by the way. Bayonets on now. If you haven't already put them on.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Keep firing the will for now.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Get good spacing, good boys. Get good spacing.
Remember,
3, 2,
you see gaps in the line,
1, chant.
extend those gaps, shoot into their lines, shoot the rankers, try to make them
3,
big.
2, 1,
Make it
chant.
hard for them. Make it hard for them to form.
3, 2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant.
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready.
We're aiming
Maybe
parallel,
Keep aiming
boys.
for now, keep aiming for now. Shoot, fireball.
Chant on, boys. Come on.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Keep firing a will.
3, 2, 1, chant.
You're already like winning the trade against them anyway, just keep it up. They suck.
3, 2, 1, chant.
That's okay, man, you're good. It's, no, it was 2
3,
spots.
2, 1, chant.
Hey guys,
3,
aim for the right, aim for the right, aim for the right.
Keep good spacing. You guys are doing great.
Gonna do is fire to the right, gonna do,
3, 2,
fire to the right, fire
1,
to the right. Never mind. Keep aiming for the yellow flag.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Keep firing a will into the yellow flag.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Get ready, get ready. Hold
3,
your shots, hold your
2,
shots, hold your
1,
shots. Move up past the smoke, follow me. Shift right, shift right, shift right, shift right.
3, 2,
Forward,
1,
turn around now,
chant.
turn around now.
3, 2, 1, chant. 3,
Turn around.
2, 1, chant.
Form, aim, fire at will.
3, 2, 1,
It's easy
chant.
shots. The left now, the
3,
left now.
2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant.
We form right here.
Keep up
Form right
chance,
here, we
boys.
form right here.
3,
Aim for another
2,
volley, aim for another volley. Hold it, wait. Fire well now, fire well now, fire well now. Grab and go, grab and go, grab and go, grab and go. Blob and go. You already won that. You already won that. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Go straight.
Yellow flag.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Snipe it if
Shoot
you
the flag.
have
Shoot the flag.
If they
3,
make
2,
red spawns, they're gonna
1,
use the
chant.
road sniper before they make it.
They have snuff,
Go
they
back.
have
Go back. Go
snuff.
back.
3, 2, 1,
Before
chant.
my ear. Fire wheel again. Fire wheel again.
1,
Go to
chant.
the shot.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Keep it up, guys.
You guys are doing great. Keep up
3,
chance.
2, 1, chant.
Up that spacing.
3,
Keep fighting,
2, 1, chant.
96
One man
seconds.
spacing. One man spacing. Remember that.
3, 2, 1,
Respawn.
chant.
Start going right. Respawn. Start going right. Left side. Fill gaps.
3, 2,
Left side. Fill gaps. Left side. Fill gaps. Respawns. Go right.
3, 2, 1,
Flag.
chant.
Readjust to the center. There you go. There you go.
3, 2, 1, chant.
There you go. You're starting the angle. Get ready to move up now. Get ready to
3,
move up. Keep
2,
finding it.
1, chant.
Move up past the smoke.
3, 2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant.
Move up. Move up again. Move up again.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Move up. Move up. Hold your shots. Hold your shots. Fire shots. Breakers. It's breakers. Go. 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 Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go.
Chant.
Let him go. You already won that. Just go straight.
3, they went into the Garrison.
They were inside the garrison. Do they spawns? No, they don't. Yeah, they don't.
Snipe that flag.
Would go.
Oh, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, I almost sniped it.
Turn into the Marines. Turn into the Marines. Turn into the Marines. Flag, come through. Come through. Flag, come through. Grab the flag. Come through. Yeah. Grab the flag. Body it. Jeez, why did nobody pick it up? There you go.
I'm chasing the
Flag,
yellow
you need to
flag
be
fork.
on your
They
game.
still don't got spawns.
Oh, spawn. Oh. Jeez. Fire your shots with the Marines again. With the Marines. Into the Marines. Oh! We might get a flag.
That's our flag.
Turn around. No, 015. Turn around. Follow me.
Tyler, if you drop, I can pick it up.
The yellow flag got spawns. The yellow flag got spawns. Did we get a flag fork?
Yeah.
Is that an enemy
Okay.
flag or there is that friendly? No, that's Andor.
Keep moving up. Keep moving. Before my deal. Before him. Fight will.
3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, I
Fire them.
forgot
Fire
about
them.
it.
Easy shots.
Oh,
Come back.
I need to focus on shooting right now, so
Before my deal.
if Caesar doesn't mind, Caesar
Fire
will
will still. Fire will still. Take it for now. Take it for now. I will still.
3, 2,
Hold
1,
up now.
chant.
Follow me.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Before right here. Actually, move up a little bit real quick for.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Never mind, keep it.
You guys are doing great with
Go
chance.
left with me. Go left
3,
with me.
2, 1, chant.
Before right here to my right, quickly.
3,
will,
2,
the group
1,
up.
chant.
128
Nice. Aim for the rankers, though. Aim for the
3,
rankers, not the
2,
flag.
1, chant.
We adjust 255.
3,
We adjust
2,
255. Come with
1,
me.
chant.
Come with me.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Before right here. Should go right a bit.
3,
Go right a bit.
2, 1, chant.
Aim for the Marines
Right
again.
doesn't mean
3,
fire.
2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant.
Alright, my bad about that. Before right here 255. Get your reloads. We're gonna do
3,
a volley.
2, 1, chant.
Aim for a volley. Quickly aim.
3, 2,
Fire will.
1, chant.
Keep up
3,
chant.
2, 1, chant. 3, 2, 1, chant.
Fire will into the Marines again. Keep trying to go into the Marines.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Boys, spread out.
Boys, with spacing. Spread out.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Doctors, spread out.
Just keep fighting your will. Bayonets off. You can just trade with it for the time being. You'll win that
Chant.
easily.
Fill gaps.
3, 2,
That's one man spacing. You're doing
chant.
better spacing than you do right now. You need to make sure you're doing better than them.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Respawn. Start going right, left side, fill gaps again. Respawns, go right.
Keep up your chance, boys. You're doing great.
3, 2, 1, chant.
The left side, fill gaps. Left side, fill gaps. That means you
3,
readjust 2 towards the
2,
right.
1, chant.
R3, pay attention.
Go right, go right.
Actually, have really good shots on the
There you
right
go.
side. Here.
Respawns. Go right. Respawns. Go right. There you
3,
go.
2, 1, chant.
That's what I'm trying to say for you guys. This is something that I've
3,
been trying to tell you for a
2,
while now.
1, chant.
If you gotta call out, say it. If you gotta call out, say it.
3, 2, 1,
Go
chant.
back now. Go back now.
3, 2, 1, chant. 3, 2,
Go down the road. Go straight down the road. Go
1,
straight
chant.
down the road. Go straight down the road. Follow me.
If I see the red flag.
3, 2, 1,
Alright guys, you see
chant.
that? Operation Save That Flag. It's gonna happen now.
3, 2, 1, chant. Is
Go
that
for
the
it.
younger
120, 120,
flag?
120, 120, 120,
There's a
120.
new sandwich at McDonald's, made with tender
3,
seasoned
2,
chicken
1,
and a soft
chant.
potato bun. We call it the
Oh,
Tyler,
McCrispy.
go to the flag. Go to the flag. Go for it. 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 Go for it.
It's got
3,
that
2,
steak
1,
on the bone
chant.
with a delicious taste.
Go, go, go,
It's
go.
perfect with stolen fries and
got that,
crisps.
boys.
3,
You'll love it,
2,
down to the
1,
very
Come on, you're
last
so
bite.
close.
The
Just
new
snipe it one more
McCrispy,
time.
so
3,
juicy,
2,
so
1,
tender,
chant.
so McWorthy. At
Come on,
participating
Colonel.
restaurants in
I know
Canada.
you. Come on, Colonel. I
Back,
believe
you
in
can
you.
back. Well,
Visit your Walmart pharmacy
Hold
today
up.
Blue
to
flag,
stock
get ready.
up on
Blue flag,
medicine
come on.
cabinet
Blue, everybody,
essentials
come on,
at
come on,
low
come on, come on, come on,
prices.
come on, come on.
Save $4.50
Flag,
on
reform,
select
flag, reform right here. Flag, get back, flag, get back, reform right here.
100 count multivitamins.
Flag.
Now only
Fire, well, fire, well.
$11.47.
3,
Apply
2,
for
1,
details.
chant.
Walmart. Save money.
spread out.
Live better.
Spread out.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Fire, real, fire, real, fire, real, fire, real. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I thought I had no response.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Fire, real, fire, real.
and virtual events.
3,
We're running
2,
against them already.
1, chant.
Pass the smoke, move up, pass the smoke, move up, pass the smoke, move up.
3,
Hold your shots, hold your
2,
shots.
1, chant.
Fire, fire, move up, move up, move up. Just move up in agenda now. Move up, move up.
3, 2,
Hold your shots, hold
1,
your shots. Get
chant.
ready. They're gonna try to form against us. Get ready, get ready, get ready.
3, 2, 1,
Show them
chant.
now. Quick, aim for the people. Aim for the blobs. Rankers, fire roll.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Nice. Move up now, move up.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Reform right here. Crouch, 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 crouch.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Move up again, move up again, move up again. Go through the garrison, go through the garrison. Grab the flag, go through the garrison. Through the
3,
garrison. Grab the flag, thank you. Pay attention to the flag. This is a problem I do not want to have.
3, 2,
Get
1,
ready, get ready, get
chant.
ready. Flag. I'm going to tell you guys to go left or go forward, okay?
3, 2,
Go
1,
forward, go
chant.
forward. Through the main gate, through the main gate. Back. Form right there, form right there.
3,
3 flags,
2,
3 back.
1, chant.
Fight roll, fight roll. Ooh, yeah, it's a bad spot. Pull back with me, pull back with me.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Before Kelly, that yellow flag.
Dropping flag. Flag guards.
3, 2, 1, chant.
I can drop flag. Okay. Nice.
3, 2,
Follow me, follow me, follow
1,
me, follow
chant.
me. Hold right here, hold right here. We're gonna wait for the rankers in the back.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Jeez. Go forward now, go forward, southeast, southeast, southeast.
3, 2, 1, chant.
We got your comment for the thing.
3, 2,
Go left with me, go left with
1,
me.
chant.
Go left with me.
That yellow flag's
Come on,
hostile.
reform. For the Marines, and for the Marines, fire roll.
3, 2, 1, chant.
Fire roll for now.
3, 2,
Shift right, actually
1,
shift right, shift
chant.
right, northwest, northwest, northwest.
Hey, Caesar, do you mind taking over chance?
Shift right, shift
Caesar.
right, shift right. 255 now, 255.
Caesar.
Reform right here.
Caesar,
Move up, move up, wait. Use a hay bell, use a hay bell. Reform right
I'm not
here.
Caesar, I mean Colonel.
Aim for the rankers again, just fire into the doorway. You're gonna kill him.
3, 2, 1.
Shift right now,
I
030.
don't have here either.
3, 2, 1. Chant. 3, 2, 1.
Form right here.
Chant.
Wait. Crouch, go left and crouch, go left and crouch. Alright, come with me. Move forward now.
3, 2, 1.
On
Chant.
the road, follow me. Move forward here.
3, 2, 1.
Fire well into them, just fire well into them. Move up now, go past it, You already destroyed
3, 2,
Move forward,
1. Chant.
Form right here. They're just gonna use the road and run away. I hate these people. Fire well.
1, 2, 3.
Move up, pass the smoke now, pass the smoke. Go forward. Hold your shots. Keep moving forward. They're gonna keep running. Just keep moving forward now. Get on the road. Use your speed. Come on. Get ready to form.
Flag cap on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Shift right, shift right, shift right, break off the road.
The guard on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Turn around. Reform.
Both is on
Quickly
3.
aim.
1, 2,
Fight will. Forward now.
Go that again, boys. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go left, go left, go left, go
Oh,
left.
you
This
need to
kid.
move it faster so
Move forward now, move north, 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 straight north. This
so
guy
we
sucks.
can get keep our chance
You can
up.
kick their ass. Go up the road, go up the road, up the road. Use the road, use the road.
Road on 3.
Now go right, now go right. We're scaring them, we're just scaring them. Come with me, come with me.
Road on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go right more, go right more. Get away from that.
1, 2, 3.
Go forward now, go forward 060, 060.
Chant, boys. Keep it up. Chant on 3. 2, 1. Chant.
Fight, go right to the Grenadiers. Go to the Grenadiers, go to them, go to them. Go to the Grenadiers. Go for it, go for it. Response goes me, response goes me. Turn around now, turn around now. Follow me, grab that.
1, 2, 3.
Reform right here. Quickly aim, quickly aim.
2, 3.
Fire will. Pull back now.
Jump if you have more on. Guard on 3. 1, 2, 3. Guard on 3. 1, 2, 3. Motions on 3. 1, 2, 3. Chant on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Break reloads, hold your shots.
There we go, lads.
You're doing a other suitcase.
Come right. South.
I mean, the guard chant has the fastest reach out.
Come with me.
Guard
Come
on
with me now, come with me, right. Just go south. Just come turn around, follow me.
How do we get
Follow me,
behind
turn
the
around, follow me.
formation so you don't get sniped?
Good. 330. Go into 330. Fire shots now, fire shots into him. Go to him. Flag, follow me. Fight. Go straight, Bradley. Go right. Bradley, go right. Bradley. Do we have spawns anymore? No. We might get spawns. Nope. Red flag, just...
Yeah, we're dead.
That's whatever. They would take 3 companies to get us.
Did they change the color?
We can change the team color. It's a command.
We're trying to save this flag.
Yeah, my fucking trees are like black and shit for me. I don't know what the fuck's happening.
I don't think we're saving it.
Lila,
Yeah,
that's
because there's nobody near it.
The Enduring Guard lost your flag. That's good. Alright, so we can turn this around still. Move forward now, follow me. Bayonets off.
Yeah, you should.
what is Lila? What does everyone have like strawberries on their heads? Like, what is that?
Strawberries?
That's the flagberry uniform.
They look like strawberry.
They do look like
Buddy.
strawberries.
I mean, it's
They're
a
butt plugs.
Let's kick their asses. We can turn this around pretty easily. Shut up.
Why does that sound get me every time?
We have rush, boys. Come on, let's do this.
Jesus Christ, what's going on with my camera, dude?
You should rejoin.
No. Shut up.
No, fuck, Jerome.
Is that bad now? It's
Where were
bad
you when we
now.
lost our flag
Holy
gun?
Come right, far right.
shit.
Far right.
Helicopters about
Hey, you both changed. That's all it is, but...
I thought we capped the flag.
Yo, what is that accent?
Go forward, 330.
And Marines. left
Flag
flag.
guards, you gotta be on your A game.
Go right, come right.
it.
Someone told me a few seconds ago.
Oh, that was bad now. He's bad.
Reform right here. They aim through the old guard into the Enduring Guard and fire at will.
This is the old
192 studs,
enemy.
basically right on it, boys.
Fire well for now, fire well for now. Fire well for now, fire well for now. Shift right, shift right northeast, shift right northeast. Move forward now, move forward now, move forward. Grab flag, move forward. Move forward now. Get ready to form. Form now on Colonel, quickly. Fight will, fight will.
Drop it.
Grab flag. Fire will, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back! Shut the fuck up! Jesus. I don't know if that's TeamSpeak or not. Form right here. Grab flag and pull, Jesus Christ.
What block flag?
Do you spawns? No, we don't, because everybody gets flags like that flag.
We have flags.
What body block flag?
Turn around now, 330. Come with me.
No morale.
Form right there with Colonel, quickly, aim! Fight will, flag pull! God almighty, body flag, turn around now, turn around. Hold your shots. Go forward, hold it. Reform right here. Fight will again, Jesus.
While you do whatever
Yeah, you gotta chill out.
Flag, be careful here, we might lose it, we're fighting a death stack, so play defensively.
Yeah, your business.
Keep flag well. Shift right.
What?
Move forward. Reform right here. Aim for the Hollow Marines, fight well. Shift right and pull. Flag, reform, quickly. Aim. Fight well again. Pull back now. Come with me right. Just take it for now. Keep coming right. Reform right there on my body. Right there. Fight well. Flag.
Flag down.
Flag.
Jesus Christ. Grab it. Reform quickly. Go for now. Move forward now. Reform here. Aim for a valley again. Fire will. Never mind, just fire will again. Jeez.
Get your
Okay.
hands up, boys. Come on.
With me right. Keep moving forward, reform right there in front of the flag with our three, quickly aim. Fight will.
Flag.
Flag. Okay, it's good. Keep firing well for now. Flag, pull back, grab flag. Grab flag and pull! Do not just stand there! What the fuck is going on?
Game. So logic.
Go right into the old guard.
Go, grab flag, keep going towards the VG. Go. Oh my god! Fuck! This is the first time I've ever got so angry in my life.
Yeah, you gotta chill out, Bork.
Get some water,
Like,
man. Get some water.
seriously.
Yeah.
Listen, he hates Andor, and so do I. It's perfectly
It's alright, man.
normal to be angry at Andor.
Nah, don't worry about it right now. Are we lagging that badly? Jesus Christ.
Pretty laggy.
I feel miserable now. I'm sorry
Maybe
for
this
yelling.
is the battle goal we wanted.
Who made server on the London?
Bro, my shit is so
I will
good,
be
bro.
getting nightmares today.
Alright, grab flag, go forward. Let's go. Fuck. Okay, let's go.
Inspector, you can drop it in behind you. Thank you.
Alright.
Flood guards, you need to be on your A game here. Yes, I'll drop it.
I mean,
Go right, go
we
right, go right, go right.
are, I believe, the smallest line in the game right now.
No, we're not.
No, we're
No,
not.
third one.
Master is one
The TG are
Crouch,
the...
get down, crouch, get down,
Yeah,
crouch,
yeah.
get down. Move forward again. Get ready to form in a second. Grab flag. Pay attention to the flag. If it gets down, if you hear the word, if you hear that word, form here, quickly. Just pay attention. Fight will. Spacing. One man spacing. Come on.
Doctor, what are you doing?
Fight will. Pull back now. Go right. Follow me. Grab flag. Reform right here to my left. Jesus Christ. Reform right here. Fight will now. Pull back
Spaced
now.
out.
Reform here.
Get out there.
Fight will still. Pull back again. Turn around, reform. Fight will again still. Grab flag. Pull back. Form. Fight will.
Master
Back
Oogway.
again.
Guys, an aim tip, use the middle
Reform
pincer,
again,
the
reform
right
again.
middle pincer, put it on their middle leg.
In front of the flag. Fight will again.
Oh!
Spacing, guys. One man spacing. Spawns, fill gaps. Fight will still. Readjust left.
R3, let me know if you want to... R3, let me know if you ever want me to take
No
over.
moral.
Hey, yo, left side should curve in here.
My
Never
kills
mind.
count as
Back.
deaths.
Pull back. Pay attention. Go right. Follow me. Hold your shots. Forward. Reform right here. Quick. Aim. Fight will. Shift right towards the road.
Right.
Move forward now. Move forward.
Mm,
We need to help old guard.
Go right. Bayonets on. Come with me. Hold you. Just get back to the flag. We're here. Fight will. Enter the rankers. For the rankers. Pull back. Go right. Pull back and go right. Go right. Keep going right. Go straight right. Pay attention. If I say right, you go right. Grab flag. Reform. We're gonna do a volley now. Aim for a volley. Quickly. Fight will. Fight will now. Pull back for the love of God. Pull back. Why are all of you on the flag? Go. Form in front of the flag now. Fight will still. Flag go. Be careful. Pull back and go left. Right here, reform here. Quickly. Pay attention. Fight will. Bottom counter. Just go forward. Get back. Get spawns. Go down the road. Stab that guy. He'll get spawns.
Go to old guard.
Turner, once you get spawns, get ready. Reform now. In front of the flag. Fire well. Jesus.
Their flag's down, board.
No, yeah, I know. Just shoot the rankers trying to go for that flag.
Boys, make perfect spacing.
Making sure he doesn't pick up the flag when you drop it.
Hold counter. Wait. Just firewall for now. Alright, go ahead and counter. Just go ahead and counter. I know.
There's
With
a line
nobody alive.
behind us.
Where's the It's already over. Just spawn. Get the flags out of there. Don't lose them here. Alright, it's wrong way. Jeez. Okay. Just go towards the
That
VG
was-
flag.
Yeah,
A
my shit was
mess.
cooked the whole game. I couldn't do shit. My bad.
It's alright. This game is... battle is pretty shitty.
Dude, you should look at ping. Look at my ping in general, dude. That...
And we were hyping up this battle too.
I was playing on Mars, dude.
Oh fucking Twaji Babu.
I spawned. I can't even get a kill
Yeah,
before
except
the
the
end of the
fact
battle.
that we lost by 2,000 points. I think the battle was okay.
It's not that deep.
To be fair, we did have 3 lines on us at one point.
It's not that deep.
Honestly, it's fun to
It's
lose
more than that.
sometimes. Especially, we've been winning a lot lately, so.
To be honest, I do have a little bit of a personal rivalry with Fandor.
So do
Me
I.
too.
Alright. Fix... Spawn in. Fix the formation and shit. We're getting ready to move the muster in a second.